Are you on the hunt for an innovative side hustle that boasts impressive earning potential and minimal competition? I'm about to reveal an opportunity that's generating over $120,000 and practically has zero competition. Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can kickstart a similar side hustle with the power of AI. Get ready to witness how AI can take your business game to a whole new level. Everything from idea generation to stunning designs is handled by AI. It's like having a virtual business partner who's always got your back. So, let's jump right in and explore the amazing world of printable flashcards. The product that's making waves and raking in impressive profits is none other than printable flashcards. Now, you might be wondering what's the big deal with flashcards, right? Well, my friend, flashcards are a fantastic learning tool that matches images with words, making learning engaging and effective. When you explore platforms like Etsy and eBay, you'll notice a massive demand for printable flashcards. But here's the kicker, there's almost no competition. And when Google Trends reveals a consistent upward trend, it's a clear sign that this is the perfect time to dive in. And today, I'm spilling the beans, and I'm going to show you how to harness the power of AI to tap into this thriving market. Let's get started. Alright, let's get down to business. How do you go from an idea to a money-making flashcard? Well, there are two paths you can take. First, you can manually study your competitors on platforms like Etsy. Analyze their listings, images, product descriptions, and customer reviews. This will give you insights into what's working and what's not. Armed with this knowledge, you can create something even better that stands out in the crowd. The second method, my preferred one, use ChatGPT to automate idea generation. For example, I requested ChatGPT to provide 10 flashcard ideas within the animal niche for kids. ChatGPT has provided 10 ideas for us with instructions. That's awesome. The animal names, baby animals, or animal sounds can be my topics. Just copy one topic and paste it as the next prompt. ChatGPT will give you a detailed description. If are still confused, then you can ask for an example also. That's why ChatGPT is the best AI assistance. Alright, let's move to the next step. We have selected our topics, now we will create illustrations. For doing this I will use Leonardo, as it is free till now. If you have a Midjourney subscription, then it will be great. After coming to Leonardo, select the 3D animation style as a featured model. Because it will create anime style image, which is the best option for kids. Then insert the text prompt. I am using an adorable cat and its playful baby cat stand together on a pristine white background. I used a solid white background because we need to remove the background and it will help us letter. After generating the first image, generate the other images. Okay, our illustrations are ready. Now we will create printable flashcards with these illustrations. For doing this I will use Canva. After coming to Canva, search for printable flashcards. You will find a vast number of flashcard designs. Select one flashcard template, which is best fit for your topic. Now click on Customize. This is our editor page. We will add our illustrations. For doing this first, we need to upload our illustrations on Canva. Just drag and drop your images. Now delete the existing graphics or illustrations. After that, import your first image. Now we have to remove the background. If you have a Canva Pro account, then you can remove the background in one click. If you don't have a Pro account, you can use remove.bg. It's a free background remover tool. Just upload the image and remove the background. Alright, after removing the background, adjust the size if needed. And then change the text. Enter the animal name of the picture. Do the same with the second image. After completing the first page, come to the second page and repeat the same process. Do it again and again until your last illustrations. After completing the editing, click on the share button from here. Now click on download and select PDF print. Okay, our flashcard is now ready. Now we will make other two different versions of this flashcard. The first one is only with illustrations, and another one is only with names. After doing this, download the file as the first one. Now we will combine these 3 PDF files into a single PDF file. For doing this, go to the Canva homepage and then click on Upload and select all the 3 PDF files. After uploading the files, select the first PDF, means, which has both image and name. Navigate to the last page and click on Add Page to create a new page. Now click on the Project button from here and then select the PDF file which contains only the image without a name. Now add the first image and then create a new page again and add the second image. In this way, add all pages of the last PDF file. Alright, our task is now completed. But we'll add some more. To stay ahead of our competitors, we will add some coloring pages. Then the customer will be more attracted as we are giving some extra benefit. I have generated some coloring book images, now I will add them to our PDF. Okay, our design is now ready. Let's download the file in PDF print format. Let's how it's looking. After creating the flashcard, your next step is to publish it on Amazon KDP or Etsy. Best of luck for your new journey. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating flashcards with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!